So have you guys have seen that small rig thingy that's on TikTok? This thing. Got a nice clamp. Got 3 different elbows. Works really well to a point. The joints really can't take too much when it comes to bouncing around and whatnot, but it doesn't work too bad. We're going to put it on the old 230 Quad Sport and take it for a run and see how it works. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. This is not a sponsored video. This is just one of those, hey, cool, it kind of works. This thing's worked great for overhead shots for my builds and stuff like that. If you caught my lives or whatnot, you'd see I might be using it there. Ride videos, man, not so much. No send it's, but you can kind of get away with bouncing around on it a little bit. Check this out. Let me know what you think in the comments below. YouTube is kind of suppressing my videos, so watch them all the way through. Let's get some comments in the comment section and some likes, dislikes, whatever. Get some interactions in the videos so that they go to more than 50 people. Thanks, guys.